Hey, Mike.
Pumpkin soup, take
Oh.
one. All right. What are you cooking, baby?
I'm making pumpkin soup.
And I finally get to see you make it, which is really cool.
Yeah, I'm
Like,
going to show you how to make it.
I've been really privileged to be able to eat this soup, and now I get to see how it's actually done.
Now you get to see how easy it is.
Okay, so what do you start with?
All right,
What's the first thing you do?
I've got a quarter of a Kent pumpkin in here, sweet potato, a carrot, and an onion in here. I've got some garlic. I've got some cumin, smoked paprika, bay leaf, and garlic. You can put whatever spices you like, really, but I like those. And then I've got some fresh herbs, and I've got 1 litre of chicken stock, and that's all you need.
Nice.
So we're going to start by sauteing the onion, and then we're going to throw in our veggies, and then we're going to put in our stock and our spices, and we're just going to let it simmer away for 20 minutes. Around 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to add the onion. And I'm just going to let that saute gently for about a minute or so. I just want to caramelize that ever so slightly.
Okay.
Yeah, so this has just been sauteing for a minute or so, and I'm going to go ahead and add all my vegetables, all of those, just all in one go. I'm going to add 1 bay leaf and my garlic and my spices. I'll just let that toast for a few seconds. And then I'll add the 1 litre of chicken stock. So you dump that in, and I'm just going to add some pepper and the lid. So I've got the soup that's been cooking for about 25 minutes, and I've just added half a cup of milk. But you can add coconut milk if you prefer. It's just going to make it that extra bit creamier. So this is actually ready. I'm just going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and blend the soup.
Nice. All right, so what's this utensil you have?
So this is my stick mixer. So you've gone from like chunks and water to something that's blended and creamy. So this is how it looks once you've blended it.
That's beautiful.
And it's ready to serve. You could put like sour cream on top. You could even put yogurt on top.
So do you ever do like a decoration herb or anything like that on there?
Well, I've got some chives that I picked from the garden. They're a bit pathetic, but hey, I grew them.
Well, it's winter also.
And yeah, this is just going to be so nourishing, and it's awesome with toasted sourdough bread.
So let's get a view with the chives.
Yeah,
oh, look at that.
I know, they're cute, right?
Like, this is better than you're going to get at any restaurant.
It is.
Cool. Thanks, baby. I now know how to make pumpkin soup.
The pumpkin soup and nourish your body.
Sweet. All right.
Cheers. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Mike and Laura's Kitchen. Bye.